Kia ora, g'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a peanut butter chocolate strawberry bark. Now, I love bark, as you know, there's a lot of recipes in the group on different kinds of bark. This is super easy and you make it with a good quality dark chocolate and natural peanut butter that only has peanuts in it. And you can use organic strawberries. I'm using frozen strawberries. I'm assuming it's going to work with the frozen ones, or you could use fresh ones. That's it, very simple. So I've taken a tray with parchment paper and I've lined it with sliced strawberries. If you're gonna wash them, make sure they're dry. I'm gonna take some peanut butter that I've warmed up a little bit so it's runnier, and we're just gonna pour it directly onto the strawberries. And we're just gonna make sure that we spread it out. Now with peanut butter, natural peanut butter has all the oils, even if you store it upside down. So what I tend to do with a new jar of nut butter, I take it out of the jar in a bowl. I use my hand mixers, mix it all together and put it back in the jar. And then next time when I take it, it's all done, it's all mixed. So we're just gonna take we're gonna spread the peanut butter over the strawberries. And then we're gonna take some melted chocolate and spread that too. Okay, so once you've covered it in peanut butter, now you wanna make sure you melt it so it's really runny, so it pours on top easily. And then we're just going to take our melted chocolate and we're going to pour that on top of the peanut butter and on top of the strawberries and spread that out. And there's nothing better than a chocolate peanut butter combination or chocolate Nutella. Delicious peanut butter Nutella. It's a great one too. So there you go. You're going to layer the chocolate, spread it all the way on top to cover it, and then we're going to freeze it. Then once it's set, you're just going to cut it into pieces. There we go. Looks delicious, smells amazing. Such a good combination. You could also use raspberries if you want instead of strawberries. There we go, it's nice and covered. Can put a little bit of oil in that chocolate to give it a nice gloss. There you go. So we're going to pop this in our freezer and I'm going to come back and show you and cut it into slices when it's all set. Okay, so it's set. I've taken it out of the freezer. It's actually quite heavy with all the peanut butter and all that. And we're going to peel off the back. Now, the peanut butter's seeped through, but beautiful strawberries in the peanut butter. And now we're just going to cut it into pieces. Best to keep it stored in an airtight container in the freezer. Probably could set a little bit longer, but I was excited. Sumo loves peanut butter, so he's here, but he can't have because of the chocolate. And then you just cut it into, again, pieces that you want. I like all hodgepodge size pieces. And then you're going to have it. You're going to have the combination of the chocolate, the peanut butter, and the strawberries. Delicious, easy to make. Keep it in the freezer if it lasts that long. Enjoy.